We know that we've got two tens frames here. We know that they are tens frames because each frame has 10 spaces. We're not even going to count them. We know they are tens frames, so we know that they each have 10 spaces. Now, what's a bit different now about today is that we are going to count on from 10. We're not going to worry about counting up to 10. We know we've got 10 crosses there because our first 10 frame is all full up. Now I wonder if we count on from 10, if we will find out how many spaces we have all together with both of our 10 frames. Are we ready? We're going to start with the number 10. Say it with me. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. That's right, two tens frames give us 20 spaces. Now I'm going to draw some more crosses in our second tens frame. I'm going to start with the number 10 because I know I don't need to count all of these because I know there are 10. As I draw more crosses in the second tens frame, can you count for me? 10. Now I'm going to stop counting. I want you to start counting. 10. How many crosses do I have now? Can you tell me? I'm just going to check for myself. I started with 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 10 crosses plus another 5 crosses makes 15. I'm going to rub these out so that I've got one of my 10 frames full up still and the other one empty. Okay, I'm going to start with 10. So do I need to start counting back at number 1? No, of course I don't. I'm going to start at 10 because I know there are 10. And now I'm going to draw some more crosses, ready to count them. So we start with 10 and the next number is 11. Keep going. And stop. What number did you stop at? Let's check together. So we started at 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Good. I'm going to go now. I would like you to carry on playing that game with your mum or dad. Make your own 10 frames and make up your own game with adding more crosses or shapes, whatever you want to put on there. But don't forget, start with the 10 filled up first of all. Make sure you start counting at 10 and then count on for the second 10 frame. See you soon.